Hi guys, this is our X8 package. It's a normal cartons and the size is bigger, around 25 kilograms for this package. Now we will check what accessories included in this package. Now let's do it. This function to change the speed. Yes, and here we have an bearing here, and also 1, 2, 3, go. Double. Here is the hand brake. Yes, you can see, and here is the fender. Yeah, this is the disco brake as well. This is the hook of X8 electric scooter. We can bring some goods around this hook. They can cover 10 to 25 kilometers. And then I will go to show you how to install the battery. This is our X8 battery, and you can see in this battery we have some detailed information of this battery. We have reports of this battery. Okay, and on the other hand, we can see here is a charge port. It's a charge port of X8 battery. Okay, that's all the information of battery. Now I will show you how to install. It's locked.
Trying to forget you, I'm all alone in a ghost town. There's a beautiful madness inside my soul, and I can't stop thinking of you. Walking on the lonely island, new. Are you